Welcome to Activity 2 of the 4-H Weather and Climate Youth Learning Lab, Weather and Climate Patterns. In this three-part activity, youth graph and analyze daily weather data, generalize seasonal weather, and then consider seasonal climate data for their location, and then map microclimates in a nearby outdoor location. In Part 1, youth participants have the opportunity to consider and graph the historical weather records from their birth date and location. First, go to wonderground.com. Youth should search for the location in which they were born. Select History. Make sure Daily is selected, and then select the birthday. Scroll down to Daily Observations. If time permits, youth can graph the time and temperature data using the graph boards and dry erase markers included in the kit. Have youth compare their graphs. Challenge them to come up with general daily patterns, such as temperature gradually increases after sunrise, or temperatures fall during the night. In Part 2 of this activity, split youth into 4 groups and assign them to create a narrative for each season in your location. Challenge them to consider and quantify temperature, precipitation, extreme weather, and any impacts, either positive or negative, that weather events during their assigned season have. This is the example season chart provided in the Leader's Guide. Once youth have made their own seasonal climate generalizations, they can consider seasonal weather data for their location. If the group lives close to Denver, refer to the laminated climate data and climate chart included in the kit. If not, you can find your own location at usclimatedata.com. Challenge youth to consider how the climograph from their location is similar to and different from climographs in other locations, both domestically and internationally. Now is a good time to encourage youth to list things that influence climates around the country. They may come up with proximity to mountains and/or the ocean, elevation, and latitude. Show them the factors that can influence climate presentation that is included in the kit. Finally, in Part 3 of this activity, youth have the opportunity to make their own map of microclimates. Start by showing youth the Köppen-Geiger climate classification map, along with the color key included in the kit. Ask them if the Köppen-Geiger classification of the climate in their area aligns with the seasonal climate generalizations they made in Part 2. Then initiate a discussion of microclimates, small areas that are warmer, cooler, wetter, or drier than surrounding areas. Have youth consider the microclimates within their backyards or schoolyards. Split the youth into 3 groups and have them choose a small outdoor area to explore for microclimates. Each group should first produce a sketch of the area. Then it is time to go outside. Give each of the groups one of the infrared thermometers included in the kit. Allow them time to explore and take temperature readings all around their outdoor area. Remind them to record the readings on their sketch. Once youth have completed recording temperatures in their outdoor area, have the groups compare their microclimate maps. Challenge them to explain why certain locations are cooler or warmer than others. I hope you have fun exploring daily and seasonal weather and macro and microclimates with youth.